Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tomarket app to Bitget wallet. Let's begin. So once you've logged into your Telegram account, you're going to go to the top right and you're going to search up Tomarket app. You will then go to the bottom left corner and then select open. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and then you're going to select play now. There it says connect your Bitget wallet, the #1 wallet to explore Ton ecosystem. So on the right side, you are going to select connect. So it says there #1 and the #2. So #1, download wallet, and the #2, connect wallet. So once you've downloaded it, you are going to select connect wallet. So once you're done, you are going to download the Bitget wallet app on your Google Play Store, and then you're going to go back. And then afterwards, it's going to search for your Bitget wallet, and once it sees it, it's going to connect. And then once it is connected, you can then transfer your coins. And there you go.